So this is how I got stuck in the Alps, how Corona affected our company, and how Scrum helped us to adapt to becoming a 100% remote team. I'm a Swede that has been living and working in Oslo for the last 10 years. In January, I took on a new endeavor for SFOX model. We deliver development services remotely from Ukraine. The plan was from the start that I would work a lot from Ukraine, where the team is located, and hopefully move back to Sweden over time. In March, I was visiting clients in Norway when Corona caused a lockdown in Oslo. Because I already sold my apartment in Norway, I needed to go back to Ukraine because I didn't have a good place to live. On the way there, I decided to take a pit stop in Engelberg, Switzerland to do a weekend of skiing before heading to Ukraine. That same weekend, Ukraine closed its border and Switzerland went into full lockdown. I thought I was going to be stuck here a week or two until this Corona thing passed away, but knowing what I know today, that was crazy naive thinking. It ended up with me staying for over a month, renting an apartment and trying to start working remotely. This pandemic became a big challenge to us as a team. We couldn't go into the office and meet each other every day like we were used to, so this was a big problem for us. At the same time, I got to experience how amazing it is to close the laptop after a day of work and then step right out into the mountains. I tried ski touring for the first time, I went e-biking, and I met a lot of cool people here. As a team, we needed to adapt to working remotely. Luckily, we didn't have to look far to find a solution. Our developers were already remote, so we saw how well it worked. So we decided to implement the same structure as them. We applied Scrum for our administration, sales, accounting, HR, and recruitment. It changed our perspective on actually what work is. We started with creating 2-week sprints, where every other Friday is not a working day. It's dedicated to demo, retrospective, and sprint planning. We listen to our developers and clients' feedback, and as a team, we plan what to prioritize for the next sprint. One crucial thing that we're also doing is that we're tracking all unplanned tasks that might occur throughout a sprint, and we try to minimize the amount of them in the following sprint. This was a night and day change for us, and we could see that working remotely works as well for us as for our developers. The pandemic forced us to adapt. For me personally, I moved to the mountains. The Ski Lodge Hotel here in Engelberg has established a co-working space for remote workers like me. That is awesome. 1 year ago, I never thought it would be possible to live in the mountains, to ski after work and every weekend and hang out with friends to share my passions for the outdoors, while continuing to deliver the quality that our customers expect.